Hey there everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to measure the series parallel circuits using the multi-tester. So first we have R1, which is 5.1 ohms or kilo ohms. So first I'm gonna put this here, and that's it. And the second one we have R2, which is equal to 2 ohms. And since it is a parallel in an R1, I'm going to put this into this node here. That's it. So the third one, which is R3, where R3 is equal to 2 ohms. Since R3 is parallel to R2, I'm gonna put this with the same node at R2 here. That's it. So next, the R4. Our R4 is equivalent to 330 ohms. So I'm gonna put here, which is also at the same node in R2 and R3. So that's it. Little bit difficult, but I will try my best. So here, and next we have our R5. R5 is also equivalent to 330 ohms, which is parallel to R3, which is series to R4. So I'm gonna put this into the same node at R4 to R5, and that's it. A little bit tricky, but our goal here is to make series parallel circuits. So that's it. Our series parallel circuits. So here in the experiment 7, where I copied, there we have 9 voltages supply, or the battery, across the R1, and then also 9 voltages supply battery across the resistor R3, and 9 voltages also in across the R5. So that's it. I'm gonna show you how it works, and also I use a jumper wire to connect the node. So here I'm gonna show you how to calculate voltages across the resistor 1 to resistor 5 using our multi-tester. So first, it is set the multi-tester into the voltages. So I'm gonna test here the resistor 1 first, how much voltages drop in our resistor 1. So it seems like 7.9 voltages. In R2, negative 5 ohms, negative 5.06 voltages. I'm gonna put this another way. So it seems like same 5.07 voltages in R2. In our R3, resistor R3, the voltages across that, or the voltages dissipated in R3, is equal to 2.51 voltages, I guess. I'm gonna put it back. I see 2.51 voltages across our R3 resistor. And next, our R4 resistor, what voltages dissipated in R4? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put here node on this. So wait a minute. So 2.51 voltages dissipated in our R3. And then next I'm gonna measure our R4, which is 1.29 voltages only dissipated in our resistor R4. And lastly, our resistor R5, the voltages dissipated in resistor R5 is resistor R5 is 0.85 voltages. So that's how we calculated the voltages in series parallel circuits using our multi-tester. So here I'm gonna set the multi-tester into milliampere so that we can calculate the current dissipated in every resistor. So first, it is a little bit tricky here to calculate the current dissipated in R1. So I'm gonna put this away and measure it using our multi-tester. So as you can see, 1.4, and it is in milliamperes. So 1.4 milliamperes dissipated in our resistor 1. So I'm gonna put this back into what they belong in the node. And then to measure the resistor 2, what current dissipated here, I'm gonna put it away in the node. And you see also 1.4 amperes. So I'm gonna put it back, and next I'm gonna measure the amperes or the current dissipated in our resistor 3. So here the resistor 3, I'm gonna put this away into another node so that we can calculate the current across the resistor 3. So as you can see, 3.9 milliamperes dissipated in our resistor 3. So I'm gonna put this back, and next one here, and next one I'm gonna show you how to measure the current dissipated in R4. So the same trick, we're gonna put this away, only one node. I'm gonna put this away into another node so that I can calculate the current dissipated in that resistor. So here in R4, the current dissipated in R4 is only 0.06 milliamperes. And the last one, our resistor 5, the same trick. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put it in back. Here we can calculate the 2.6 milliamperes. So as you can see in experiment 7 workbook, the series R4 and R5 is in series. So therefore, the current dissipated in R4 is also equal to the current dissipated in R5 because it is a series. So I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm gonna measure the current dissipated in R5. So here, so that's it. Also 2.6 milliamperes. So that's how we measure the currents in this series parallel circuits. So to prove that, I'm also gonna show you my calculated circuits diagram in this paper. So here you can see the I in every resistor and the voltage dissipated in every resistor. So that's it.